Apple might be about to release one of the most confusing iPhone upgrades in years, because the iPhone 18 Pro was supposed to fix one of the biggest complaints about modern iPhones, but according to new leaks, Apple may have quietly delayed that upgrade. And if these reports are true, the iPhone 18 Pro could end up looking almost identical to the previous generation. But before you start calling it a boring upgrade, there are actually 3 changes that could make this iPhone surprisingly powerful. So first, let's talk about the dynamic island situation. For the past year, almost every rumor pointed to one major design upgrade for the iPhone 18 Pro series. Apple was expected to move Face ID under the display, which would finally shrink the dynamic island and give users more screen space. At this point, the feature was rumored so often that most people assumed it was basically confirmed. But now a new report from the well-known Chinese leaker Digital Chat Station says that's not happening. According to the latest supply chain information, Apple is delaying the under-display Face ID technology to the next generation. That means the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will keep the exact same dynamic island design we have already seen on the iPhone 17 Pro models. Same screen shape, same display cutout, no visual change. The big question is why? One likely explanation is cost. New display technologies like under-screen sensors are extremely expensive to produce at scale, and with memory prices already increasing across the industry, Apple may be trying to avoid pushing the price of the iPhone even higher. So instead of adding expensive new hardware, Apple may have chosen to keep the design the same this year. But that doesn't mean the iPhone 18 Pro is staying the same internally. The biggest upgrade will be Apple's new A20 Pro chip, which is expected to build on an advanced 2nm process. That's a big deal because smaller manufacturing processes usually mean better performance and better efficiency. In simple terms, the phone should be faster while also using less power. And speaking of the power, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to finally cross the 5000 mAh battery mark. That would be the largest battery ever used in an iPhone. Now let's talk about the camera changes. The camera system is also getting some interesting upgrades. According to multiple reports, Apple is testing a new main camera with something the iPhone has never had before, a variable aperture. Right now, iPhone cameras use a fixed aperture. That means the lens always lets in the same amount of light no matter the situation. A variable aperture would change that. In darker environments, the lens could open wider to capture more light. In bright environments, it could close down to prevent overexposure. This would also give photographers more control over depth of field, meaning better background blur and more natural looking photos. Apple is also testing a telephoto camera with a larger aperture. That upgrade could improve low light zoom shots, reduce noise, and also allow faster shutter speeds. There are even rumors about a teleconverter lens to extend zoom range, along with a possible 24 megapixel front camera. So yeah, that's all about the iPhone 18 Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.